But what would take 100 people a year ago, we can do with 5. That this is improvement of our productivity of a factor of 20. That doesn't mean that we plan to fire anybody, but we plan to massively increase what we can deliver to the clients.
Question on how you train AI. So basically, how does that work? You have these external AI systems, and then you train them. You give your own content to them. Do they own then that content, or do you still keep the IP on that content?
No, no, we still own the content. So our use of AI works entirely within what's called a walled garden in IT. So we have this closed database. There's a 3-step process, if not more steps, but you have the wide world of data. Some of this data is extremely well organized, like Crunchbase, which is a database of startup companies, Twitter, and so on. Scientific news databases, but you also have what you find if you just do a Google search and so on. So all of this data, we bring it into our walled garden where we structure it and we tag it. And we use AI to help us bring it in there. But once it's in there and people want to communicate with it, we have to train AI to deliver a result in a nice format. So let's say I work for Glencore and I'm planning to have a meeting with Glencore, and I want to know about which technologies will impact the supply and demand of zinc the next 10 years. I want to be able to ask the computer this question, and then I want a nicely structured report with graphs and overviews and a timeline of future events and so on. So you train the AI to deliver it in a desirable format. And that is not such a big task. And once you've done that, it just can do it all the time.
Basically, AI is an external company. So you have now structured a whole set of information that you provide. AI learns, and you see in which format you want it to return the reports. But how do you know that this AI now has learned? They have all the information from your company. They are able to create these reports. Do you keep the IP of all that input, or does that new AI now have it?
No, they don't have